So this will work for any spark plug. A spark plug for a chainsaw, like right here, a 2-stroke engine, a 4-stroke engine, 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, V8, doesn't matter. The key thing you need to remember is you need to check this on all your spark plugs before you install them. And actually you should check all your spark plugs before you leave the parts store for this fault. And I've seen this twice now in my life. And what happens, so I took the spark plug out, right? Here's the threads. These are the threads right here, right? This is the porcelain. And what happens, right here, right where the laser's at, where the metal and the porcelain meet, you can get cracks right there. A crack can form. And if that happens and you don't catch it, when you install the new spark plug, you're going to have a cylinder misfire. And I chased a misfire for like 2 days because I didn't catch it on a new set of spark plugs, and I thought it was everything else. And last ditch effort, I pulled the spark plug out and found out that it was cracked. So what you want to do is go all the way around, just spin the spark plug, and look right here where the porcelain and the metal meet. Make sure there are no cracks. Like I said, I've only seen it twice in my life, but it really sucks when it happens. Go ahead, open up all the packages, whether you have 4 of them, 4 spark plugs, 6 spark plugs, or 8 spark plugs, or you're using it on a chainsaw. Go ahead, check the porcelain where it meets the metal to make sure there are no cracks. Alright guys, there you go. Just a quick tip of stuff you need to look for before installing your spark plugs.